In this video, we'll recommend you the best gas mowers to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Gas Mowers 2022 is Toro TB160. Best Mid-Range Gas Lawn Mower. If you're looking for an affordable gas-powered lawnmower that has all the basic function, then the Toro 160 is a great mower to consider. Of course, at a price like this you can't expect all the high-end features of something like the Honda HRX 217 HZA, so it's not self-propelled, and it certainly doesn't have an electric starter, but you do get a really solid 160 cubic centimeters Honda engine. As well to the reliable engine, the Toro 160 comes with an auto-choke system, which means that starting won't be a problem, even if you need to pull a cord. The Toro 160 does more than just basic grass cutting too. It has a 3-in-1 action, so you get a 1.9 bushel rear bag for normal grass cuttings, but also a mulch kit, and side discharge options with this mower. A specialized cutting blade ensures that mulched grass is finely cut, and you'll get a great freshly cut look for your lawn. While it's not self-propelled, Toro has done as much as it can to make it easier to cut with this mower. At number 4. Weibang WB537 SCV 3-in-1. Best Gas Lawn Mower for reliability. You might not be aware of lawnmowers made in other countries, so let us introduce you to the Weibang WB537 SCV 3-in-1. As you can see from the pictures, it's a serious professional mower, and if ruggedness and durability are top of your list when choosing a mower, you might want to consider it. Let's start with the engine. The Weibang has a 196 cubic centimeters shaft-driven engine, which is some serious power under the hood. Belt drives occasionally get twigs stuck in them or suffer from other problems like slippage when wet. At number 3. Craftsman M105. Best Lightweight Gas Mower. If you're searching for a lightweight push lawn mower, then the Craftsman M105 is a brilliant choice. The 21-inch blade means it works best for gardens under a quarter acre, and a 6-height adjustable deck and 3 different clipping disposal options ensure a thorough trim. Like many of the mid-range offerings on this list, the Craftsman doesn't offer 2 blades in its cutting deck for fine mulching. It still has a 3-in-1 clipping disposal system. This includes a mulching functionality. An extra inclusion with the mower is a mulch kit, which improves the nutritional quality of any caught lawn clippings used later for composting. At number 2. Honda HRX 217 VKA. Best Self-Propelled Gas Lawn Mower. Honda lawnmowers are known for their great engines, and the HRX 217 VKA features a really powerful 200 cubic centimeters Honda engine. The Honda HRX 217 VKA is self-propelled too, so it's easy to operate and moves forward with just the press of a single finger. There's also an auto choke, so you can be guaranteed a start on the first attempt even if you have to pull a cord. The Honda HRX 217 VKA has twin blades, so you can ensure an amazing cut, and of course, it's got the Honda 4-in-1 Versamo feature set that enables bagging, mulching, discharging, and leaf cutting. The twin blades ensure especially fine cuts for mulching. What we really like with these Honda mowers is that you get a generous 5-year warranty. At number 1 of the top 5 best gas mowers 2022 is Honda HRX 217 HZA. Best gas lawn mower overall. We've chosen the Honda HRX 217 HZA as our best overall gas-powered mower, because it's got all the features you'll ever need in a mower coupled with that fantastic Honda engine and build quality. Let's start with the engine size. At 200 cubic centimeters, it's the most powerful engine in our buying guide, matching the Honda HRX 217 VKA and just a whisper ahead of the Weibang WB537 SCV3IN1. You get twin blades with the Honda HRX 217 HZA2, and a 4-in-1 Versamo system, which means you can easily switch between mulching, bagging, discharging, and leaf shredding. The difference between this model and the similarly named Honda HRX 217 VKA, also in our buying guide, is the addition of roto-stop technology, which means you can stop the blades without stopping the engine, and hydrostatic cruise control for simple, precise control of the mower speed. Thank you for watching the top 5 best gas mowers 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our mowers buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.